Hello and welcome to Lifestyle to Wellness newsletter. I'm glad that you chose to be here with me today as I'm going to share with you a powerful tool that can help you stop comfort eating. Do you suffer because of your relationship with food? Do you eat too much food? Are you tired of thinking about food all the time just to end up comfort eating? Are you ready to set yourself free from shame and self-hatred? The key is in realizing that you have much more power inside than the pain that leads you to comfort eating. Can you imagine a life without battling with self over food and comfort eating, where you are listening to your body and feeding what it wants when it's truly hungry? Yes, you can achieve that. Have you heard that we are made out of three parts? The physical, the psychological or emotional, and the spiritual. Everyone that I know feeds their physical part at least once a day. Not all of them take the time to feed their psychological part because they're too busy with life. And even a smaller number takes the time to feed their spiritual part. Now it seems logical that in order for us to be whole, balanced, and centered, we would be feeding all three parts equally. Usually when someone is trying to stop comfort eating in order to achieve a healthy weight, they start with the physical part. So they go on a diet and exercise, and for a while they stick to it, and usually they end up giving up on it. Now there's some that might go a step further, and they will hire a psychotherapist or a psychologist to help them on this journey. Now there are even smaller numbers that will explore spirituality and use it as a powerful tool to help them end comfort eating in order to achieve a healthy weight. I want to remind you that we cannot separate the three parts. They're all intertwined. One depends on the other. One affects the other. Think about it. When you are physically sick, how do you feel emotionally or spiritually for that matter? And vice versa. So I want to encourage you and challenge you to start using this powerful tool to help you on this journey of stop comfort eating in order to achieve a healthy weight. Now, many people consider themselves religious, while others cannot even hear the word religion, faith, supernatural powers, or even God. However, spirituality is much more than religion, as it relates to a personal relationship with something much bigger than ourselves, a higher power. Where religion relies on a system of beliefs regarding how we should behave, where do we go when we die, and many other profound beliefs or mysteries of life. It is important for me to emphasize that I'm not speaking about religion, but spirituality, because it is a powerful tool that it can help you achieve your goal of stopping comfort eating so you can achieve a healthy weight. I'm going to suggest a few activities that are inspiring and will help you enhance your spirituality. As you can see, Nature is one of them. I'm so thankful to be in this beautiful place. Every morning I get to hear the birds singing, the cows in the field, the horses. Not everybody has a place like this to live. But few things that you can do. You can go for a walk, go for a bike ride, a hike, maybe horseback riding sometimes. Or you can go for a walk nearby a stream. Or if you're lucky, go for a walk in the ocean. The sound of the water is amazing and so relaxing. You can also watch inspiring movies or documentaries or seminars, or you can choose to read inspiring books, messages, um, listen to inspiring music, CDs. There's so many things that we can do. We can pray, we can meditate, we can help someone in need or volunteer our time for a good cause. So again, I want to encourage you and challenge you to use this powerful tool that can help you achieve your goal of stop comfort eating to reach a healthy weight. Please feel free to share any inspiring activities that you use to enhance your spirituality in our comments, our blog section of our site, www.lifestyletowellness.com. To learn more about how to enhance your spirituality so you can stop comfort eating to achieve a healthy weight. Become a subscriber of our Mind Over Eating program. Go to www.lifestyletowellness.com. Goodbye for now.